And now, Alicia. Hello, hello.
Hey Ted,
Good to see you again.
how are you?
Okay, so you said I have my niche, point of view, and probably business model clear. What are the next steps to get my offer out? The hubs thing. Yeah, absolutely. It's the hubs. That's the next step.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I mean I have very little knowledge of setting up business and things like that. So do you have any recommendations of people who works with that? Because I always been an employee, let's put it that way.
Your questions on how to set up a business?
Yeah, yeah. So sort of like I'm working, but I don't have a business as such yet.
How do you know you don't have a business?
I don't have anything like registered, for example, or
You don't need, I don't know if you need to.
I'm not earning money, but
Uh,
uh,
I mean, I guess you need to get registered, for business taxes and all that. But I would say, my gosh, plenty of people who could help you with that. I think if you just post on Facebook, it's like, hey, I want to register my business, so I can start making money on it. Just as a sole proprietorship, I think you can go to most banks and they can get that set up. But if you just post on Facebook for where you live, somebody can probably connect you with that resource. Um, yeah.
not 100% necessary, you think? I mean, it's
It depends on the country, probably different laws. I think you need to have at least a bank account. But
okay.
you can just set yourself up as a sole proprietor in most, at least in North America. Um, yeah, but this is not my strong suit probably. But I would just say, yeah, if you've got your
No,
niche,
that's why to anybody that can guide me on that.
yes. Well, if anyone thinks they can help Alicia, please
Okay,
comment on her question in the, yeah.
good.
Yeah. Okay.